Welcome for today's class of mathematics. Today's question is taken from class 10th mathematics. So I can write down over here that is 4x plus 3y is equal to 17. Take this as equation 1, and the second one is 5x minus 2y is equal to 4. Now take this as equation 2. Okay, now multiply the first equation by coefficient of this x, that is 5, and multiply this second equation by coefficient of f, the first equation, that is coefficient of x. Okay, so I have taken the coefficient of x variable only. Okay, I can even take the coefficient of y variable, no problem, but I have taken coefficient of x variable. Okay, because there is no complication over here, whereas sometimes you'll find it complicated when you see minus sign and plus. So that's why I've taken this easy one. Okay, this one's 5 and 4. Okay, done. Then 4 5s are, your answer will be 20x plus 3y, means 3 5s are 15y is equal to 17 multiplied by 5. What you will get? 17 multiplied by 5. 5 7s are 35, 5 1s are 5, 6 7 85. Okay, we will get 85, right? Yeah. So next 5 4s are 20x minus 2 4s are 8y, 4 4s are 16. So change the sign, minus plus minus, 20x will get cancelled. Now this one will be 15 plus 8 will give you how much? 23y. 23y is equal to, now subtract this sign of the greater number. So if you subtract, what you will get? 85 minus 16 you all do. Okay, 9 and here 69. Okay, so y is equal to 69 upon 23. What you will get? The value of y will be equal to, now 23 multiplied by 3 you all can do. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 69. So 23 1s are 23, 23 3s are 69. So y will be equal to 3. Now I'll have to substitute y is equal to 3 in equation 2. Okay, so there is equation 1 and 2. I will substitute in equation 2 because it's very simple. See, all simple and small numbers. Here 17, it will be complicated, big numbers. So I have taken the equation 2. You can substitute also in equation 1, no problem. You will get the answer same. 5x. Write down this 5x, second equation, minus 2y is equal to 4. Yeah. Now substitute the value. 5x minus 2 into 3 is equal to 4. So 5x minus 6 is equal to 4. So 5x, 4 plus 6 it will be. So x is equal to 10 upon 5. So 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So the value of x will be equal to 2. Okay, so x is equal to 2. Therefore, I can write down the final statement. Therefore, the solution is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3 we got, right, over here. Yeah, so look at here and write down the final statement also. Okay, so the value of the value of y was 3 and the value of x is 2. Okay, thanks for watching.